Hello everyone, welcome back to Manreet Overseas, and in this video we will learn how you can introduce yourself in German language. And my name is Tanisha, okay? When you start your introduction, you always start with hello or good day or good afternoon, anything, okay? So you for hello you can say hallo. Hello is hallo. And if you want to say good day or good afternoon, you can use guten Tag. Guten means good and Tag means day. So good day, good afternoon or good day. So first of all, we will learn how you can introduce yourself. And the first thing you say is your name. Okay. So let's see. Introduction in German is called Vorstellung. Introduction is Vorstellung. Okay. And when we introduce ourselves, first thing we tell is our name. Okay. And for name, we say my name is in English, right? My name is, and then whatever your name is. Okay. So same thing in German, we can say mein Name ist, and then your name. For example, my name is Tanisha, so I can say mein Name ist Tanisha. Same, very easy, just as in English, only little bit changes. Okay. Next thing you tell is from where you are. Okay, which state do you belong to? So for let's say I am from Delhi. Okay, I come from Delhi. If you want to say this sentence in German, you can say ich, ich for I, then komme aus Delhi. We do not change the name of states or a person name in German. That will remain just same as in English. Okay, so that will be ich komme aus Delhi. I come from Delhi. If you are from any other state, like you are from Maharashtra, you are from Bihar, you are from Patna, or any other state, you can just take this first sentence ich komme aus and then replace it with Delhi. So if you are from Patna, you can say ich komme aus Patna. If you are from Maharashtra, you can say ich komme aus Maharashtra, just as it. Okay. Next thing you tell in introduction is where do you live. So for example, if I live in Delhi, for that sentence you can say ich wohne in, and then Delhi. Okay. Wohne means to live, and in is just same as in English, so it will be ich wohne in Delhi. If you live in any other city, in Patna, Maharashtra, or any other, you can say ich wohne in, and then that particular city. Next thing you can tell is about your profession, and profession in German is Beruf. What is it? Beruf. Okay. For example, if I want to say that I am a teacher, how to say this sentence in German? Again, we will say I, ich, and then for am we say bin. Ich bin, and teacher in German is Lehrer. Okay. And if you want to say any feminine profession, then what you need to do, just add a in, and then that profession will be changed to the feminine gender. For example, Lehrer is the masculine teacher, Lehrerin will be the female teacher. So I will say Ich bin Lehrerin. Now you will think I haven't changed to German. Why? Because in German, when you translate a sentence or you tell about your profession, you never use an article with the profession. You never write an article with the profession, okay? So you only write the profession name and never the article. Remember this point. So I made this sentence with the teacher profession. If you are from any other profession like a student, doctor, police, any other, then you can just use that profession instead of Lehrer, okay? And the last sentence that we are learning in this introduction is about your marital status. Okay, so marital status in German is called Familienstand. Familienstand means marital status. Okay, so how will you say this in German? For example, I want to say I am single. How will you say this? To say I am single, then you can say Ich bin ledig. Okay, and if you are engaged or if you are married, then what you can say? You can say ledish for single, so ich bin ledish. If you are engaged, you can say ich bin verlobt. Verlobt. And if you are married, you can say verheiratet. Verheiratet. Okay, so if you want to say I am married, then that will be ich bin verheiratet. Okay, Okay, so these were the five basic lines that you can use for introducing yourself. And after you're done with your introduction, what you say? Thank you, right? So for thank you, there is a very simple word in German, that is danke. Danke means thank you. Or if you are eager to learn more, then you can even say vielen Dank. Vielen Dank. Vielen means a lot and Dank means thanks. So it will be thanks a lot. Alright, so this was the very basic introduction for you at A1 level that you can use to introduce yourself in German language. And if you're interested in more such videos, then make sure to subscribe our channel and stay tuned. I'll see you in the next one.